Hey guys, and how's it going? And welcome back to Tech Hub. And in this video we are going to be discussing how to install Theme Forest theme on WordPress. So without wasting a single second, let's just jump right into the video. So Namecheap is an amazing hosting platform, and you will be able to see that we have domains, hosting, WordPress, and so on and so forth. A lot of tools are available. So now if you want to just simply learn how to install WordPress using Namecheap shared hosting, the process is pretty simple. So first of all, you're going to be simply opening up your control panel or cPanel. So once you do that, you need to select a uh, soft apps installer icon. So you can see we have this going on, and once it is up and running, you need to simply click on the WordPress logo. So under the scripts heading, you have the WordPress icon. We are going to be clicking on that, and then we need to click on install tab. So once you click on WordPress, you will have an option to install tab to proceed, and that is what we need to click on. Once you do that, on this page you will need to fill out the details of your WordPress installation, all the steps. Simply choose your domain and select your directory where you want to install it, your database name, and the default WP table prefix can remain, but for increased security we recommend to changing it to something unique like WP website name. You got the point, right? Okay, after that we need to fill the site settings, and once you do, hit install, and that is pretty much it, guys. So now if you want to learn how to install it manually, we have a process on that as well. So make sure to comment down below if you want to check on that. And that was pretty much it for this process, and I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did so, make sure to comment down below your favorite or video that you want to see coming up next onto the channel. And I really hope you found this tutorial helpful and interesting. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next couple of videos.